So are the rumors true? Do you absolutely need PPC when drop shipping? Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives. You want to know something? We're going to help you guys get there too.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
What's up, guys? This is Dropshipping Terminator.
Come with me if you want to live.
It's okay, Mom. He's here to help.
Me and my partner, the Dan of Steel, we talk all about that Amazon FBA, that private label dropshipping, that e-commerce life, baby. If that sounds good to you, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stick around for a little bit. Get into the free Facebook group below where we hook you up with all of that knowledge, because that's what we do. We like helping you guys out. So, is PPC necessary? Do you absolutely have to have it? Woo, man, that's a rough one. That is a rough one. Do you? We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna get into that. You know, a lot of you guys do not know what PPC is, so let's go ahead. Let's break it out. Let's break it out and break it down so you guys know what in the world we're talking about. Okay. So, do you need Amazon PPC for your dropshipping business? Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Now, this is gonna be more for private label dropshipping, not necessarily retail arbitrage. Whereas, you guys might not need PPC. It's going to be a law of averages. You're going to have so many freaking listings, it's not going to matter. Okay, you guys are trying. You're doing volume, all right. You're not necessarily caring. You don't care about brand status at this point. You guys are just caring about doing volume, making money, focusing on a cash flow business. Okay, so PPC may or may not help you guys. It's really not going to help you guys the way that you want it. But anyway, let's get to the nitty gritty. So, Amazon PPC, what is it, man? What is it? It's Amazon's paid advertising platform, guys. It's pay per click. Okay, so instead of running Facebook ads or Google ads or whatever, running external traffic to Amazon, Amazon has their own advertising platform, and it's amazing. It works great. Okay, now not saying that Facebook ads will not help in conjunction with PPC, but PPC is generally much more cost effective, and it's better at driving the target audience who are searching for your keywords to your actual product. Like, why would you not want to use that? If Amazon's, giving you a platform to use, you should probably use it, okay? And, as we said before, it's pay-per-click. It's all keyword-based, okay? It's keyword-based and phrases, but generally you're going to be focused on keywords, and then you will be worried about certain phrases down the line. As you get better with PPC, you're going to be, doing more complex things with it. And, it's super, super effective, guys. It's very effective when you do it properly, okay? Now, it can be a bad time if you guys don't do it properly. You can waste a ton of money, just paying by the day $10, $20, $30, $40 a day and getting no results. So you guys kind of have to know what you're doing. You do have to pull your data. You guys have to know what keywords are hitting, what keywords are not hitting, stuff like that, all right? So, do you absolutely need it? Is this something that you have to have? And it's going to be a possibly, depending on what you're doing. Now, for Amazon FBA, it is almost a necessity, okay? When you first start, let's say you guys are not starting off with private label drop shipping like we recommend. Let's say you guys are getting right into Amazon FBA. You guys are going private label FBA. You spent $2,000 to $3,000 on your product. You got your product there at Amazon and you're trying to get those first sales. Now, some of you guys are going to be doing giveaways, okay? Some of you guys will be doing launch giveaways and you'll be spending a ton of money doing so. And that's not something that we recommend, but it's something that does work as long as you have a good product. Now, in order to keep those sales going, you guys are going to have your PPC going as well, all right? You guys are going to have your, there is no way around it. Without PPC, your product will fail, period, okay? You're not just going to sit there, do a giveaway, and be like, all right, everything's fine. Okay, PPC is going to be the way to keep your listing up there and keep those sales coming in. Now, granted, your acquired cost to sell, your ACoS is going to be a little high at first. And that's up until you get natural traction, then your product starts ranking, and then your ACoS is going to come down. So you're not going to spend near as much on PPC. But in the beginning, you're going to spend a good chunk of it. And for FBA, that's going to be very, very important to your success. Okay, now, when it comes to private label dropshipping, you really don't have to do PPC. As a matter of fact, for new sellers, you don't have the option to do PPC because you won't have the buy box for your products. All right, because they're not going to be in the Amazon warehouse. You're not going FBA. They're going to be FBM. You guys are going to have to learn how to sell naturally. And it could be a very bad time for a lot of you. Some of you guys are not going to have optimized listings. You're not going to know what to sell. You're not going to know how to do effective product research. And you guys are going to think that PPC is the answer. No, PPC is not the answer. You guys need to do better. You guys can sell without PPC. Same thing with FBA. You guys can sell without PPC. You don't absolutely have to have it, but it makes it much, much easier. And it's at some point, it's almost a necessity, especially when launching. Now, you know, for dropshipping. Like I said, you guys are not going to need that. You know, you're going to be getting sales naturally, you're going to be gaining traction naturally, and then you're going to be carrying on. Okay. Now, once you start getting the buy box for your products, that's when you guys can run PPC, because you can't run PPC without the buy box. You should know what the buy box is. If you don't know what the buy box is, check one of our other videos. It'll tell you all about the buy box. Yeah, having a buy box is very, very, you know, lucrative. You know, when you have a product that's doing really well and you just want to keep those sales moving. Okay. Now, granted, it's not going to be the end all when you're drop shipping, because, you know, if that product doesn't sell, it doesn't really cost you anything, you know, so whatever. But, you know, PPC can help. It's not going to be the thing that drives sales in most cases. It's going to be the thing that helps keep those sales coming at a consistent clip. You know, maybe even fluffing them up more. You know, if you guys are doing like $300-400 a day with a certain product, running PPC might help you get to, you know, $400 to $500 or $500 to $600, depending. So, you know, just keep that in mind, guys. Boom, we are done with that piece there, people. With that being said, you know, be safe, be smart. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all the prereq stuff. You guys already know what we're talking about there. And yeah, you know, we're gonna catch you in the next one. Hopefully that was short and sweet and to the point and helped you guys out. All right, so peace. I'm gonna see you guys later.